Getting a dashboard view for Google Analytics is critical to quick decision making. Did you know that you can have a customized Google Analytics dashboard providing you customized insights to help you with your decision making? Let us create a customized dashboard for ourselves. Go to Customization and select Dashboards and click on Create. We are presented with two options: Blank Canvas and Starter Dashboard. Let's go with Starter Dashboard option as it helps us save some time. Enter a name for the dashboard and let's create it. Our starter dashboard is created with some existing widgets: new users, sessions, sessions by browsers, and so on. Let's try and edit the widget for new users. We can make required changes to the widget appearance and save the widget. As the data gets populated, the widget displays data based on our selection of the widget display. We can also add a new widget to our dashboard and customize it further. We need to give a title to the widget. Choose the standard graphs or the real-time graphs. Select the metric to view the data. We can also add filters to view specific details. Let's go through the process of creating another widget for our dashboard. Just watch me do it. Once our widget is saved, we can also drag and drop the widget to change its position on the dashboard. We all know that dashboard plays a very important role in making very quick decisions based on data available. Let's use the dashboard facility of Google Analytics.